so I'm gonna put this terrarium together. So I painted these picture frames. I found a video on YouTube how to make a terrarium, so I did it. So, or did this part. So I painted a bunch of these frames, this color, so that I can glue them together and form a terrarium.
Gentle.
You gotta be hurt fast, it dries down quickly.
Look.
If it actually works for you, I would be fucking stunned. And I'd be like, what the fuck? What? Why does it work for him and not me?
You're just, I think you're gonna like heat up enough to glue it. But,
This is such BS. I just want this to be okay. I just want it to not fall apart. That's my main goal.
It would be pretty cool, damn it.
So, you know how freaking expensive terrariums are? Terrariums are expensive. If I wasn't doing this, it'd be like 30, 40, maybe even more dollars than that to freaking buy one of these things. So, just saying.
How we're doing it.
We're trying to do it. We're trying. Well, the only thing that could fall apart is the glass falling out. So, oh shit, like that. Oh god, yes, oh god.
Stop touching things.
How am I gonna take this home? It's gonna be a nightmare. I mean, it's not like it's
one
like...
stick may be enough to do it, yeah.
This and this behind it are going to go inside with some moss. It's gonna be awesome. Where's my moss? Oh, it's back here.
Oh, perfect.
With my moss. Look at my moss I bought. It's gonna be an awesome Halloween extravaganza. With extravaganza. Oh yeah, I got some paint on that one. Shit. I was hoping it'd be like the bottom, but I did not plan for anything. I planned for maximum. Well, it actually kind of looks like it looks like a pet home for a pet.
Hamster in there.
Holy shit! We gotta put some moss in there. Man, that video was right. You can make terrarium with picture frames. It's fucking bomb. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's trying to be a daredevil. Oh my god. Is it not gonna come apart? Potentially? Maybe? It's probably going to when I take it off. Okay, we gotta put moss in it. Okay. Oh man, this is something. Oh god, what's happening? Oh. I don't know. Okay. Oh, shit. Taki. They're already done my... Oh, fuck me. Okay. Jesus Christ, I didn't think it was going to be so hard to get out. God, it's like whole grain. See, mini, oh shit. See, mini weeds. Okay. Is that enough? Maybe? Just want the whole bottom covered. Okay.
Pretty good.
Like that. That works. Well, or I actually kind of feel like I thought about that or that. Wait. Wait, maybe that's better? Oh, whatever.
We'll make the side of the paint scratch the front of the
Oh, that's probably a better idea.
You probably scratch the off, that's come off too. Oh, yeah.
And then the skull and the front. Yeah.
Make it stand.
Oh, shit. God damn it. Okay.
It's not best. These heavy things in this glass box. You need a hole for it. Give it a hole to sit in.
It's kind of, I mean, it's not fully. I mean, wait, let me think. Wait, move it. Can you move? It's not horrible, right?
Pretty cool.
It's my cemetery terrarium.
You need like a bunch of tiny spiders. Look at the big ones.
I don't know.
You need like tiny spiders.
Or like little like worms. That'd be better. I don't got any worms, so.
That's all we got here.
These are the worms in the grass. But yeah, the skull I was gonna put in here, actually, fun fact, was like that big. So it was way too big, but it looked like there was grass coming out of it, so it would be perfect. But then I thought this would be perfect because there's a lot of birds in cemeteries, so. Yeah, that's how you make your own cemetery terrarium. Basically, just take some frames, paint them, glue them together with a hot glue gun, get some moss, and get some tombstone and like a skull with a bird on it if you can, and voila! And it doesn't look half bad. I'm somebody who doesn't do arts and crafts all the time. You know? This tombstone is too heavy. Okay. I'm going to try. Come on, let's get out of my way. Okay. That works. Only pumpkin spice.
Yes.
Pumpkin spice lube.
Pumpkin spice.
Looks like lube, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Pumpkin spice. It didn't stick to this at all. Smells good though. Okay.
And then?
I don't know.
This is gonna.
Wait, no. This is behind it. So.
Okay. Which inside?
It's cement.
Yeah, I don't realize it was heavy, but
It is not for the faint of heart. It'll kill somebody.
This isn't great for this glass
No,
box.
wait.
Oh, behind it, right? Okay.
Wait.